Well, good morning, everyone, team. Let me start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. Just let me wait for more 1 or 2 minutes. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly, team. Just 1 second. I'm taking the instance for today's class. Okay. So let me start the session for today, team. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. So yesterday and day before yesterday, we had the demos on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. And as part of the last 2 days demo sessions, what we discussed, team, to just have a quick recap. Okay. So on the day one, we have gone through the topics like introduction to ERP, then what is Fusion application, its background, like evaluation of the Fusion application, then typically what are the companies involved in usability of this product, who is vendor, who is called as client or customer, who is consulting company. Then we talked about our Fusion environment releases as well. Every year, like how many times our Fusion application will be upgraded. And when Oracle introduced this Fusion application, what is the version that they came up with in the market? That all we have seen, team. And then we discussed about the modules we have in this technology, what comes under functional, what comes under technical, that all we have seen. And also we discussed about the career opportunities in this domain and all in our day one demo class, team. That is day before yesterday on 1st December Monday. And during that time, I given you a detailed overview about this entire program, how many months duration, what uh, program features or offerings that we provide from Triotech, that all we covered, team. And in yesterday's session, we discussed about our Oracle Knowledge Repository, team, how in the internet you can able to browse and you can go and find Oracle delivered documents for this technology, where we have to go and find that all we have seen, team. And also every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading their application, every time where we have to go and we have to find our release documents, that also I covered in the yesterday session, team. And then I introduced it to you yesterday certification concept also, how certification in the Fusion application will work, what is the approach that you have to follow for book your exam, and what will be the paper pattern, that all we discussed, team. And then I introduced it to you yesterday the Fusion application main home screen, how to access the Fusion system and all, team. And also I told you what are the different names that we should call our Fusion application when we working in the real-time projects. Okay. Then client to client, when Oracle selling their product in the market, what is the differentiation in the environment we have? That 4 characters pod number will be unique, I told you, team. So these all things we discussed in our yesterday session. The basic intro, everything we have seen, team. What is this technology and all in last 2 days demo classes, team. Now today I'll be introducing to you the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Let us talk about the Fusion HCM main functionalities in the system. The home screen functionalities, what we have, how to log in and all team, right? So basically, I told you yesterday, our Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology. When any company buy the product from Oracle, Oracle will deliver the application just in the form of this instance or link or the URL. So if you go and keep your URL in the Internet Explorer, Google Chrome or Firefox, any uh, search tools team, you can able to access the Fusion applications I told you, right? So just I'm going to my Google Chrome and then I'm searching with the team, my instance. This is my Fusion application instance team. Just I'm searching here. So what happening here, team? It is prompting me for signing. This actually I covered yesterday. Till the language part also I covered yesterday, team, right? So in order to access the Fusion system, we require good internet connection and a very basic laptop is also fine. Okay. So if you pass your instance link in your search engine, system will prompt you to this sign in team. So this is the domain pod number for our instance team. The 4-digit pod number we have no here in every instance. Currently, whatever the training environment I'm using for your class today, that instance pod number is this one team. So I have my username and password. I'm trying to log in team. For you people also, yesterday in the community, we have shared the instance access for exploring team. So the user ID and passwords we given, you can able to make use of them and you can explore the things team. So in order to access the Fusion system, we require our user ID and password. In real time, whenever you are working team, how you will get access to your client application, who will create your user account and password to the system. That all we will see team. Our next topic lined up is that only. I'm going to start our training with our very first concept in the system, that is security administration module team. Every project implementation you go, the very first module that you will start will be security. So when I am explaining you this topic next, you will understand when we are in the real-time projects, how every one of us will get access to our client application accounts and all. For us, how we'll be creating team. But now let us focus on the main home screen functionalities that we have in the Fusion application team. Next, I will start with this module. Then you will understand how user accounts will be created in the system, everything. Okay. So team, to access the Fusion system, you require user ID and password. So once you give your user ID and password, you can click on sign in button. System will take you to the application screen. And as I told you yesterday, Fusion applications are multi-language supported application. If your client want to use their system in their native language, they can keep it selected here. Then the screen will update accordingly. I told you. Now I'm keeping Korean here team. Now see the entire screen updated with Korean details here. If I click on sign in also, the entire application will come in that language team. So if you want to use the Fusion application in your own native language, the users can able to select that team. Now I'm putting back to English and I'm signing in. So once I sign in, I will be landing upon to the main home screen of the system. If it comes like this team, click on home button here. You will be landing upon the main home screen. This is the main home screen of our Fusion applications. Good morning, my username team, HCM lab I am getting here. And this is our main home screen of the Fusion system. This is a look and feel. Few people who are in the batch, you might come from a PeopleSoft background or from a EBS background or a JD Edwards background or any other ERPs you might worked on team. The interface wise, you can experience the difference. This is the look and feel of the Fusion applications team. Okay. Now, when we log in, I'm having an area here where some icons are coming. First of all, I have different sections are there. Sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, help desk. And if I click on the arrow towards the right pointing here, more options I'm getting scrolled here team. Many things are there here. See, again, if I click on this arrow, they will move from left to right. Many things are there. And when I select any section team, for example, I'm selecting my client group here. When I select this section team, I'm getting different options under that again. Hiring, candidate sourcing, hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, new person, person management, absences. If I go to me, if I select this option team, I'm getting some sub options under that. Different icons, different options are coming. What are all these things? When we log in into the system, whatever that we are seeing on the screen, this entire area where whatever I highlighted team, this entire area, we call it as springboard in the system. What is that team? This entire area, we call it as springboard in the system. And within the springboard, every section that we see, my client group is one section, procurement is one section, me, service, Redwood sales, different sections are there. Every section we call them as functional area in the system. Under that, whatever you see, let's say when I select my client group team, hiring, journeys, new person, different options are coming. We call these as sub-functional areas. This entire area we call it as springboard, and these things we call it as functional areas. Under functional areas, what we have, these we call it as sub-functional areas in the system team. Okay, sub-functional areas in the system team. Now, on the top left, we have three lines coming up team. On the top left corner, what is that? We call it as navigator. So whatever we see in our springboard area, sales, Redwood, sales, service, me, procurement, my client group, here they are placed horizontally, slantly, correct? These all are horizontally positioned team. Same things we can see in our navigator area also. If I click on this three dots team, navigator, a bar will open from left to right. See here, a bar open from left to right team. See, same things. Sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement. What I'm seeing here, sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. Then if I expand that team, if I expand that team, under my client groups, whatever I have, hiring, new person, absences, goals, candidate, same things. Here in the Springboard area, my client group, if I select whatever I'm seeing here, hiring, candidate sourcing, journeys, person management, absences, same we will be able to see here also team. It means these functional areas and sub-functional areas we can able to access from the springboard and also from the navigator also team. Same things are available here also. So if you expand that, you can see all the sub-functional areas coming under that team. So this is springboard and this is navigator. Okay. What is vision here? Some dummy logo in our training environment we have team. because this is our training environment. Okay. So we have some dummy logo coming. But when you are working in the real time client applications, here client logo, they can able to upload team. How to do that and all we will see here. We have a concept called customization and personalization, one module. When we come to these classes, I will tell you team. But here client logo will be showing to you in the real time. Okay. So this is about team, the springboard, functional areas, sub-functional areas, and in the navigator we have. Then we have here some icons to discuss. What are these things, team? We have here home button available. What is this home button, team? See, like every other application, you take your mobile, you be on any screen. If you want to come to the main home screen, what you will do? Just one click, home button, if you click on, you will come to your main home screen in the mobile. Any application you take, it might be Instagram, it might be Facebook, anything. When we click on the home button, what happens, team? You will be coming to the main home screen in the system. Correct. You will be coming to the main home screen in the system. One second, team. Yeah. You'll be coming to the main home screen system. Same here also. So you be on any screen. For example, team, I'm going to some screen. My client group, new person. Okay. My client group, new person. And I'm going to hire an employee team. Some screen. Generally, once we hand over the system to the client, if the client said HR people want to hire an employee team, they will come here team. They will do that. These all we will see in our core HR module. Okay. Now you be on any screen in the Fusion system team. Now if you want to come back to the main home screen, just click on it. Just click on this team. Okay, mandatory fields, if anything on that screen, it will ask team. After that, just click on this button, home button. See here, my screen is loading. I came back to the main home screen. Or let's say I'm on some other screen. Under my client group, some absences, some screen I am on team. Okay, I'm going to some screen. You be on any screen in the system. If you want to cancel this immediately and if you want to flow back to the main home screen, just click on home button. You will be landing upon to the main home screen in the system team. So this is home button in the system. Then we have star option. What is this star option here, team? Favorites and a recent item. See, many of you might be aware of this. Even in our Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever the search engines that we are using in our laptops or desktops, team, we have the bookmarking concept. For example, this URL I want to save for future reference team. I can bookmark this tab, right? We have the star button. See, these all are my bookmarks only. Whatever that you are seeing here, these all are my bookmarkings here on my website, Google team. So your favorite links, favorite websites, if you want to bookmark, you can bookmark here team. Same within the Fusion application, we have the star button available. Favorites and recent items team, that is nothing but. What is that? For example, any user in the system, he want to list out his most performed tasks every day. For example, team, I will tell you, let's assume we completed the implementation, all the modules to the client we implemented, we handed over the system to the client. Now they started using team. For example, I have an employee by name, Mr. Bhargav is there. Every day Bhargav duty is what team? He's working as a HR associate in the client company. Okay. So every day Bhargav will come to the office, come to the system, go to my client group, go to new person, and he will go to hire an employee. Every day, whatever the recruitment happened, people selected, all their records, Bhargav used to create team. So every day Bhargav will come and he will perform these transactions every day. So he can bookmark his transactions in the system team. His most used transactions every day. How you know? Like this. Once after login into the system, go to the task, what you want to bookmark. So I want this task team, new person, and then within new person, this hire an employee task. Beyond that screen, go to star button. Okay. Mandatory fields, if you have, this will stop us team. That's okay. Go to star mark favorites button. Come to favorites team. Here you can click on add to favorites here. So system will ask you that particular you want to create a new folder. You can create a folder team, something like my daily routine tasks. My daily routine tasks. I'm creating the folder like this name and I'm adding my hire an employee task into that. Save and close this one. And then next team. I have few other tasks also to add as a favorite. So every day I will also go to my client group person management screen here team. Even this also I want to bookmark, add to favorites. So in my daily routine tasks team, I'm grouping that also into that. Then I have few other screens also. Every day I will navigate my client group. Then I will go to absence screen. Huh? Then I'll go to this particular screen here team. Even that also I'm adding to favorite. Add to favorite in the folder you what you created. Save and close. Now see team, the very next day when the user login, when Bhargav login into the system team, rather than going to my client group new person then picking hire an employee or going to absences directly, if Bhargav come to the favorites button team, here he will have that folder my daily routine task. And see team, the three screens were added into this favorites button. Just one click from here, directly he will go to hire an employee screen. See, directly came to hire an employee screen team. Okay. If not that team, if not that team, favorites button. Okay. Favorites button, my daily routine, absence plan. Now see, directly Bhargav will go to that screen team. So the most frequent used screens every day, what you work on, frequently what you will be working on, that you can add into your favorites button team. That is concept of bookmarking how we have in our Google browsers. Same within the Fusion application, you can add your favorites team here, right? Then recent items. In our Google Chrome also, we have the history button. If you want to search whatever the recent websites that you have navigated, you can go to the history button and you can able to get that team here. You have the history button available, right? If you come here, same way within Fusion application, what are the recent screens that you have went, you navigated, that you can check out team here. If you come recent items. Now recently I went to absence plan screen. Prior to that, new person. Prior to that, hire an employee. Prior to that, absence administration. All the recent screens that I navigated, I can search it in. From here also, I can go to that screen if I want. So this is favorites area and this is recent items area team. This is the history button that what I recently searched in the system will be coming up team. So home button is what we understood. Favorites and recent items is what we understood team. Then we have a flag button here. What is this? Watch list. Generally team, this is something related to Fusion financials and supply chain products team. Generally for HCM, we don't have this feature of watch list to use team. I told you right in our day before yesterday session and even yesterday also, we are learning Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. But under Fusion applications, Oracle offering different other products also I told you. Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud for finance activities to handle. Then Oracle Fusion Supply Chain, SCM, Oracle Fusion CRM, Procurement Cloud, PPM, Project Portfolio Management Cloud, different other products also Oracle offering, I told you team. Now, one very important point I want to share with you. This is very basic understanding or the knowledge everyone should have. What is that? I told you in Fusion technology, different products Oracle offering. We are learning in that Oracle HCM Cloud. Our course is Oracle HCM Cloud team. Okay. But when any company buy the product from Oracle, for example, team Tata Group today purchased the product from Oracle. They bought this Oracle Fusion applications they want to use in their day-to-day activities team. When any company buy the product, now Tata want to use HCM, financials, supply chain, procurement, okay, then CRM, sales, and projects team. Tata want to use all the products in Fusion only team. So when Tata purchased the product from Oracle for HCM separate application, separate URL, for finance separate environment, for supply chain separate no team. All the products will be given within the same application only. Within the same system, HCM will be enabled, finance will be enabled, supply chain will enable, everything will come to the client within the same application. It's a uniformed or a unique platform where companies can handle all their business activities in one system only. That is what the ERP concept is also about. Few of the people are in the misconception that for finance separate application client will get, for HCM separate portal client will get, like that. No team. Everything will be delivered within the same system. So based upon the roles and all, the restrictions to that functionalities will be controlled, that you will see in the coming security classes team. But here, this concept of watch list is to nothing to do with HCM. For finance and supply chain people, see journals, payment files, expenses, contracts, okay, then invoices, payment process requests, receipts. These all are related to finance and supply chain team. Nothing to do with HCM. Ignore that. It's not our option. Okay. Then we have bell icon. This is related to us team. What is bell icon here? And several notifications I got here in the system team. We have a module called workflows and approvals in the system, I told you team. When I'm introducing to you all the course curriculum or the concepts we have in this technology in the day one demo, day before yesterday, I told you we have a module called workflows and approvals in the system. What is that team? Generally, in any of these modules, whenever any configurations or transactions are happening, we can send that for an approval. For example, team in core HR module, today HR hiring a new employee. You want to send that transaction to the concerned HR manager for approval. Or today employee submitted the resignation in the system. It should go for manager approval. Or in absence module, today employee applied sick leave in the system or annual leave in the system. Any type of leave team. When an employee applying the leave, it should go to his manager for approval. So we have an approval module to deal with all these things team. So in Fusion system, the managerial cadre people or the HR people, whatever the approvals routing to them, that will come into the notifications bell icon team. So these all are FII informations as of now, but generally here you will get approve and reject button. When we go to this module in our training, we practically implement that and we will see. But this bell icon is that one. Notifications means related to our workflows and approvals module. So the HRs and managers will be receiving every day approvals in their bell icon. From here, they can take the action, either approving, rejecting, whatever they want team. So that is this bell icon. This is not required team. This is something related to this help desk module in the system that is not required as of now to discuss. Ignore that team. So when we log in into the Fusion system, these are the main home screen functionalities we have team. This is called Springboard. This is called Navigator. And these are functional areas. Under that we have sub-functional areas team. Then home button, favorites and recent button, notifications button we have. Then what else we can talk team? If I click on my username, okay, my user details are coming hcm.lab. If I click on it team, a pop-up will come. That is settings and actions button. If I click on it, settings and actions button, this is team. So every day after the work, if the user need to be logging out, then sign out button is their team. To log out from the system, they can sign out from here. That button is here. Then if we come here team, personalization we have concept. What is this team? Accessibility settings. If I go here team. So we have accessibility settings. See, even in your mobile also, you go to your settings in the developer mode, you have accessibility settings team. So if you, by default, the screen is in default mode team like this. If you select screen reader mode, the screen will become with zoom in. People who have a eyesight, if they want to see the screen with very zoom in, then screen will update accordingly team. Then the color contrast, the basic stuff you can check and explore on that team. We have the accessibility button here. Then team, we have set preferences. When we come to settings and action, personalization, set preferences team. So if I come here, I have here general preferences team, regional. If I go to regional, I can set up the regional settings to my system in the application team. Territory. So generally your client belong to which country team, that you can select here. Then date format, time format, number format, time zone. These all details you can capture here. What is this team? What is this team? I have different date formats available here. Currently, this is date followed by month followed by year. The format is coming like this team. We have different formats. Whatever the date format we choose, focus team, whatever the date formats we choose in this system, throughout the application, any screen you go, wherever the date related fields are there, the format will come like this. I'll show you, see, it is a cloud application team. We can work simultaneously on different tabs. So keep the cursor here, click on the right side mouse button, a pop-up will come, duplicate if you do, one more URL will open up here team. So parallelly we can work on different screens. See now, in the system you go to any screen, wherever you find the date related fields. For example, if I go to my client group, new person, hire an employee. Here team, date format fields are there. We have different types of field. This is character format team. I can write anything that what I want. These are date type fields team. Means in these fields, only date information only we can give. Okay. So currently, what is the format of this team? Date followed by month followed by year. Here also team, date of birth, date format field is there in the system. What is the format? See, date followed by month followed by year. If I give any date team, see, 24/12/2025. How this is decided team in the system? That comes from the preferences, regional. Currently that was configured. Now see team, in the general preferences, I am changing the format to some other. See, something like YYYY MMMDD I am giving team. Some format I am giving here. See, the date format I am changing, save and close. Now see team, refresh the screen because parallelly when you're doing, you have to refresh. Now please observe that date type fields, how the format will take. Now when I come to hire an employee, see team, the layout changed, see, YYYY See, even here also, it got changed. Whatever I given here team, that is coming up now. See here the behavior of these fields when I select this one. Earlier, this is not the case. It's not about hire an employee screen. Throughout the system, any module, any screen you be on, wherever you find date formatted type of fields, how that format should come will be decided in the general preferences regional button team. Okay. You also check it out today after the class. Okay. Date formats, what is our client requirement? We can select it accordingly. Now I'm putting back to DDMMYY team. Okay. Then time formats. In the system team, certain screens, if you go along with the dates and all, times also we will capture. So how that particular fields should come team. This is date format. This is time format. And this is a number format. Number format means whenever you go to payroll module, whenever we capturing the employee salary details, the amounts and all will be in the number format team. So how that number format should come after decimals, how many points to be allowed and all, we can decide team. So these three, whatever we give in the front end, wherever the screen you be on, that related field formats, if you see, the format will be taking up from here team. So in the regional settings team, country details, date format, time format, number format, country currency, then the time zone, Kolkata time zone because it is in India team, save and close. This will applicable for throughout the system team. This time zone will take up currency, that formats of these attributes, everything will consider from here onwards team. So this is regional settings that which we can set up in the system. Then we have language option team. See, while we logging into the system only, we have the flexibility to choose the language option. For example, while logging in, we have not selected the language. We logged in with English only. Now I want to change my application language team. So here I can come to language, then I can select team. So I want to change to Finnish. So everything I'm changing it to Finnish team and submit. Save and close. Now see, my entire application will change into Finnish language. Now everything changed. Everything gone. See, if I come to the main home screen also, everything will come to finished language. But team, this will not change for all the people. It's my preferences. It's my screen. My thing only will update team. Not for every user in the system who using the application will have this impact. No. See, now everything changed. My client group also changed team. These all things changed to finish entire system. So after logging into the system, if you want to change the language of the application, you can do from here. Now again, if you want to put it back, go to the preferences. I know that team and navigation, I'm directly going, okay. Then this is English team, American, England, or something will be there. I'm selecting that, save and close. I know that. That's why directly I went team. So language selection we can do from here team. Then whatever we have here, the accessibility settings, same within preferences tab also we have team that same. Then password. Now for your user account, if you want to reset the password team, you can go here, password button, and you can able to reset the password. So we have some restriction based upon the role system not allowing, but generally from here only we can reset the password. System will ask existing password and then give the new password team. So we can able to reset the password here. Then watch list. So whatever we have here team, this watch list, same button here available, but that is nothing to do with HCM. Then financials cloud, service, sales cloud. Okay. So these are related to Fusion Financials, CRM and all team. So from HCM point of view, only till here we have to discuss in our preferences tab what we can do team. So that is about preferences here in the personalization section team. Okay. Then we have administration work area, edit pages, global page template. These all things team we will come in the next coming classes. Next, every single day, whenever I start with our modules team, core HR, absence, payroll, in every module, come to this sheet. In every module team, we maintain the list of configurations available to you. So what are the configurations in each module we have to perform? Core HR, if you see, these all are the different configurations we have team. Then absence, if you see, these all are the different list of configurations we have in absence. Then in payroll, we have different list of configurations. We call them as setups or configurations team. Going forward, every module when we start, every setup in that module, configuration in that module, we will navigate from here team. In the settings and action, administration, we have setup and maintenance one option team. We call it as FSM task, functional setup manager task team. But these all things, edit pages, global page template, manage configurations, these are related to our sandbox classes team, customizations and personalization. Then this is something we will start when we starting our module configurations in the system. These things we'll talk about team in the next coming days when we start our training. What are all these things we will see. In settings and action, what else we can see here? See, yesterday I introduced it to you the knowledge repository team, Oracle's knowledge repository, how to access the Oracle standard documents. What I told, go to your Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or anything, search engine, type as docs.oracle.com so that we will be going to the Oracle documentation and all I told. Within the system also, we can navigate to that page. How you know? After login into the system, if you come here, settings and actions button, if you go to applications help team, there is one option here of application help. If you click on it, a pop-up blocked him here. Let me allow that. Done. Now see, if I click on applications help team, directly system will take us to that only, docs.oracle.com. See, so you can select your product. This is financials, ERP, supply chain, human resources. You can go here and you can access your implementation, docs, cloud readiness. The same navigation. Yesterday, what we have seen, team, all books, you can filter with that. Then cloud readiness means the latest release notes and all. Okay, you can access them, team. So Oracle embedded within the system also to go to that team. Applications help if you go. This troubleshooting, run diagnostics, these all things are not required to us team. Whenever we working in the real-time projects, sometimes we face some challenges in the application, functionality level issues team, which Oracle have to rectify that. During that time, we will be working closely with the Oracle development team as well. We will have a ticket raising to Oracle team and they will be working on the issues and all. Functionality issues team. During that time, they will ask us to record the screen and they ask us to submit the videos, how that functionality erroring out and all. Then we have this functionalities team. But these are too early to understand now. When we go to the training part detailedly one by one, these all things you will be getting explored team. Okay. Then what we can talk in settings and actions button at this early stage here. If you want to check out what is the latest version of the Fusion application team, come here to the right side settings and action. go to about this application. So system will give you the information about the release version team. So the latest version or the current version as of today, December 3rd, is release 1325D. Okay. REL 1325D. So if you want to check out your Fusion application release version, you can come and you can verify here. These things we can talk here in the settings and actions button team as of now. And this is the Springboard. These are the functional areas and these are the sub-functional areas. If I scroll down team bit, scroll down the page, we have things to finish. What is this team? See, generally, whatever we see in the bell icon here team, whatever we see in the bell icon here team, the notifications, same things the HR or the managers can see here also team. See 192 notifications I have in total in my login team. If I scroll down, I can see the same here also team assigned to me 192. Created by me means whatever the transactions I performed waiting for someone's approval team, that I can see here. Or else whatever assigned to me I can check here team. From here also I can check that and I can take the decision what I want to do. Same notifications bell icon details we can check from here also team. Then if you scroll down, we have news and announcements. What is this team? For example, this is a HR tool, correct? In any organization, companies will be using this as a HR tool. So all employees in the organization will have access to the system because every employee have to check their leaves every month. They have to check their pay slips. They have to submit their year-end documents, etc. Everything thing. So let's say company want to share any announcements to the employees team, any news to the employee. Don't ask me, Kumar, company can send emails to them. No, that's a different story. Yes, in Fusion system, we have the concept called alert composer. We can send emails, bulk emails to the employees to share any news or anything to them. But that is different story. Within application team, we have news and announcement. For example, today company announced a bonus to all the employees. That news company happily want to share with all the employees team. Mails, okay, they will shoot mails to their work emails team. At the same time, when any user login, every employee when they log in, here they can publish that news and announcement team. So from here also they can able to check out that details, so they can go to that news and announcement. So what is that, employee can go and he can explore team what company want to share with them. For that matter team, in the system we have news and announcement to publish, where in the system when they do in the front end it will reflect here team. So anything, example, I'm telling bonus, or let's say any safety precautions for the employees. Let's say winter season coming, flus are there. So they want to give some safety precautions to their employees. So they can share a kind of detailed note here and they can drop it in. So every employee when they log in, every day they can come and check this area, news and announcements. So what company sharing with them the latest news or announcements, they can check out from here team. So these things that we can talk in the main home screen of the Fusion application team. Let's say if client saying that Kumar, we want our logo to be here. Kumar, this color also we don't like, Kumar. It is coming with some blue color or something green color. We want it plain white background. And this color coding also, we want it in some other colors. And Kumar, these icons also I want some different pictures here. Or this section I want to rename. My client group, I don't want Kumar, something I want this to be renamed as HR self-service. Anything to the pages. If you need to do as per the client requirement, you can do that thing. So we have a module called customizations and personalizations. And we have a concept called a sandbox. Through this, we can do that team. I'm telling you, there is a possibility to do. How to do, I'm not covering now. When we come to the respective topic, we are going to see how to do that team. But we have that provision also available team. Then we can able to personalize this Springboard area team. If I scroll down, you be on any functional area here team. Scroll down, scroll down. Here you have plus icon. What is that team? We have personalized Springboard. What do you mean by personalized Springboard team? Click on plus icon. What happens? See, you will land up on the app screen. Means what all functional areas, what all sub-functional areas we have in the system. Let's say we have sales, Redwood sales, service, me, under me, procurement, again we have my client group, then we have help desk. Many things are there, team. These all are what in our Springboard or in the Navigator, all the functional areas, and within that sub-functional areas, what we have. Let's say, team, if you want to hide out few things from your Springboard, let's say I'm going to my client group, then I am unchecking this hiring button team, candidate sourcing, then absences. I uncheck a team now. What happens, when I submit now, in the front end, in my client group, these sub-functional areas will be hidden out team. See now, I unchecked them, save and close, save and close. Now see team, once I go to my client group, where is hiring? Where is that candidate sourcing here? Where is that absence option here? They're gone. They hide it out team. See? So you have the provision to personalize your Springboard also. Now again you go to plus icon. Again you go to plus icon. Then come to my client groups. Okay. Now I'm putting back team. Hiring, absences, candidate sourcing. Someone disabled learning here team. I'm enabling learning. Huh? And now I will click on save and close. Now see what happens now. They came back now. When I come to my client group, hiring came back, candidate sourcing came back, absences came back, learning came back. See, so team, you have the provision to personalize the Springboard also in the system. Under each functional area, what icons should be coming, what icons should be hiding out. That also you can do. But when you do here, you won't have the restriction in the navigator team. Only in the Springboard area. Now I went and I hide it, hiring, candidate sourcing. In navigator, it won't hide team. They will show here. But only Springboard, you can able to disable and enable, or you can personalize the Springboard accordingly team. So this is something which we can talk from the main home screen introduction uh, class team. Okay. So this is how the look and feel of the Fusion application will be. And these are the basic home screen functionalities that we can talk about team. Next, what we can start team. Today I'm not going to start. Anyhow, in next 5 minutes, we cannot take up any topic. But let me give you intro about that and we will close the session for today. So all the preliminary things that what we have to discuss, done team. Okay. Now we are going to start with our actual sessions in the training. The actual core topic we are going to start from now. Just I'll give you an intro about that. Tomorrow we can start team. What is that? Any project implementation you go, take this as granted team. See, the training that I'm going to conduct here will be in the sequential order. When you are in the real-time projects also, how you have to start your project. Step 1, step 2, step 3 means module wise. Which module that you will work generally firstly. Then next what? Next what? In the sequential order, how you will implement. Same way our training also will be. I'm not going to zigzag anything. Directly starting the talent module, then coming to absence module, then again going to some approvals module, that will create lot of confusion. So we will also go very systematically one by one. When you will be in the projects in the real time, now you trained on this technology, you applied for the jobs, you get into some job, and your company mapped you for a particular client project. We have to start the work for the client from day one. What we will do? So team, the very first topic that every one of us in the system should have knowledge will be the concept of security administration. This is the very first module that every one of us should know in the system. Rather, in the real time also, this is the first work that we'll do in the system team. What we have in security module, Kumar, in this security administration module, we are going to see how to create the user accounts in the system, how to get the access to the application. That all we are going to see in our security module team. Why? Because, for example, team, you take this scenario. Let's assume as of now, Tata is our client. Tata purchased the product from Oracle team. So Tata, let's assume, given the project to Deloitte or Infosys or some company. Let's assume Deloitte is their so-called software company in the market. So what Tata did team, after purchasing the product from Oracle, Tata given the project to Deloitte. So we will be working here. Okay, we are called as implementation consultants team. So we are the employees of Deloitte. So our company got the project and our company deployed us for the client Tata team. So now for all of us, our client fusion application access is required because we have to start implementing all these modules in the system to the client as per their requirement team. Means what? We all of us should have access to the client system. Correct. So when we go for the project, how we will be getting access to the client system? For you people to practice, I'm giving you the instance and user accounts and all. That's okay. But when you are in the real-time projects, how you people will get your user accounts created? That we are going to see in security module team. Okay. So this topic I'll take up freshly in tomorrow's session. I will introduce to you what all concepts we have in this module, how to create new user accounts in the system, and what access the users will get in the system with respective to the modules. That is the first module we have to start as part of our training. In tomorrow's session, once I complete that session team, I will give you the first set of material to you as well. So whatever we have taken yesterday, day before and today and even tomorrow, and for next 20 days to 1 month, whatever the classes we are going to have, for entire that classes, first set of material I will share with you tomorrow after the class team. So you can start make using of that materials for your practice purpose. So before taking the questions for today team, I want to again confirm you from you people. Please verify. Yesterday also I have reminded to you couple of times. Maximum for 90% of the participants, we have shared the portal access and the WhatsApp group link. I have two or three students in my mind today morning, whoever confirmed, Purnima and also Srivatsav and Virat. We have 3 4 participants late night or today morning who confirmed. For them, access yet to be shared. Okay. Suresh, one more person. For remaining people, maximum participants, we have sent the learning portal access and also the WhatsApp group link to join team. If anyone not yet received, please confirm today. That should be first priority for you today to get yourself done. If anyone not yet received, please do check with the admin team, you will get. Okay.
Hi, sir.
It's Karthik. Karthik,
Yes,
you
sir.
got the email yesterday. You texted, I think. Team informed me. I think they have resent again. Have you checked your spam folder, Karthik?
Yes, sir. I have already checked. I have not found.
Not received
Yes,
again.
sir.
Okay. Admin, please make a note of it.
Hey
Karthik
Kumar,
made an
even
mistake.
I didn't. Actually, my username and password is not working. So I just replied for the same email. I didn't get the email.
Gayatri. Okay. Gayatri, once reach out in the WhatsApp. Quickly, they will
Okay.
reply. Okay.
Okay.
Hello,
Once.
Yeah.
Kumar. This is Saira.
Saira, please, Saira.
Yeah, I have a question. Actually, so the in the WhatsApp group batch
Hmm.
December 2000,
Hmm.
sorry, 25 batch. So the
Hmm.
ID and password shared for this Oracle Fusion application.
Instance.
Yeah. So the ID will be this link will be the same, right? Just we need to change our password,
No, no, no,
right?
don't change, don't change that. We should mention that because every one of us using the same environment.
Yeah.
Whenever we given you the user ID and password, please
Mm-hmm.
use that credentials and practice. Don't change any passwords in that. If you want to create a new user account after tomorrow's session, you will come to know how to create the user account in the system. You can do that. But whatever
Okay.
we given, please don't change it. If you change, other people also will get impacted by that.
Okay. So for the timing, we have to use that
Ah,
only with the
that
same ID and password, right?
correct, correct.
And
Hi.
one more thing, Kumar.
Mm.
One more
Saira,
thing.
please.
So yeah, so the one more ID and password is shared. It's ram.stable. What is that for?
That is a stable environment. We shared two instances to you. One is demos, and the
Hmm.
other one is stable environment. That is a private environment, non-refreshable environment, which will be there for long time. So this is
Okay.
stable demo environment, but this will refresh every 1 week or 5 days like that. So this
Okay.
one, you please use it as a standby.
Okay.
Everything you practice in the demo, private environment.
Okay. The stable
Uh,
one is you are going to tell us how to use that for like
That
our
actually
like.
after security classes, I supposed to tell. Probably
Mhm.
by tomorrow or day after, I will detailedly tell you how to start practice in each instance. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Kumar,
Kumar.
I
Hi
have a
Kumar.
question.
Yes,
Uh,
Bhargav. Yeah.
so Kumar, as you told, like we have some like servers and everything. So I just want to ask, like, how these are getting like refreshed. So is there an image coming from the Oracle side, or it's a like kind of weekly or a monthly activity
Demos,
where
we
they
don't
will?
have a control, Bhargav. The problem is sometimes Oracle will refresh every week. Sometimes it will keep for 10 days. Sometimes 3 days also they will refresh. There is no specific timetable that Oracle follow. Generally, weekly is what the standard timetable that Oracle follow, but sometimes they are refreshing 3 or 4 days also.
And it will be for all the users across the globe, or it's just
Across
for a
the
particular?
globe. That is only demo environments I'm talking. But real
Okay.
time client private applications will not have any refreshes concept. Only the training environments in the market which Oracle giving only that.
Okay. And if they want to implement, so company is doing on the weekly, or it's like depending upon the company requirement, they are
No, no,
changing it.
company, whatever they are using, it's their own private systems. Oracle will not have any control on that. It's permanently for
Okay.
lifetime. They will have that. No refreshing.
Hi
Okay. It
Kumar.
seems like the PeopleSoft we are using.
Mm-hmm. PeopleSoft.
Like we have got the PUM images, but it's up to us like when we are to apply that.
That are what's upgrades probably or copying
Okay.
of from one environment to another environment. Cloning, you're asking, I believe.
Right, right.
That is subjective to the client again. Whenever they
Okay.
want, they can do here also in Fusion.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Hi.
Lavanya or
Hi,
Nisi.
Kumar.
Hi Kumar.
Hmm.
Actually, the this HCM lab, this instance, I'm not able to log in. Yesterday, I am able to log in within half an hour. Like I got a problem, I am not able to log in.
What
Again,
is error
the
coming
same
up?
repeated now.
Authentication failed coming.
It's like nothing is coming, Kumar. Can I shared a
I have
screenshot in
seen
the.
Bindu. Yeah, Bindu. See, I told you just after .com you remove everything, search it again. You will able to get access. It's a catchy issue in your browser. Whenever I have seen your screenshot in the Zoom chat you pinged right yesterday. So
Yeah, now
when that
also.
error will come, just
Mm.
after .com you remove everything. Okay, from here onwards, remove everything in the URL and search it again. Then you will be able to log in into the system.
or you can just clear your browser
Cache and you
cache.
can try.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Hey, Kumar, I
Hi,
have a
Kumar.
question for you. Um, how much of customization can a customer do, a client do? How much customization can they do?
See, by default, we have within the licenses also, Oracle will sell SaaS, PaaS, IaaS like that. We have different licensing prices Oracle offering. By
Okay.
default, every product will be in the SaaS subscription, software as a service. In that, we have a limited scope of customization. Means what? The look and feel of the screen functionalities you can change, or any page level also you can customize the page properties, attribute customizations you can do, mandatory, non-mandatory, renaming of the fields, moving the alignments here and there, or creating the new pages. These things you can do. But all way around developing a new application functionalities within the system or integrations within the system with some third party tool directly in the SaaS license, customers won't get. So what clients will do means along with the SaaS, they will also pay PaaS and IA subscription so that they will get some additional platforms from Oracle where they can develop new functionalities and all. But as of by default in the basic license, the limited scope of customization only will be there, Leslie.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi,
Thank you.
Kumar.
Hi Kumar.
Yeah, hi.
Do we get
Yeah,
that
I got.
Excel you
I'll
shared us?
share this Lavanya. This Excel right away in the community.
Yeah,
I'll yeah.
and we have another one as well, like syllabus you are showing us, right?
That I will share, but not today. Let me discuss about that Excel in the tomorrow session. I will share that. What is that
Okay.
Excel is for? What is the importance of that? I will
Mhm.
tell and I will share. Sanjay,
Thank
please.
Yeah, hi, Kumar. I only got the access for e-learning. I was checking
In
with
the
your.
group we have shared, probably you joined lately into the community. Again, I will reshare it in the community. You can find that.
Yeah, and one more thing is like,
Hmm.
did you record these workshops and all?
Did
Will I get
you?
the recordings?
No, that will cover in the live only in the coming days.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Just now we started now. Once the curriculum is going in, we'll have the sessions on workshop also.
Yeah, I thought it was separately.
No, it's a live
Thank
one.
you,
I
Kumar.
will take the session. Yeah.
Yeah.
No worries. Yeah. Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining team.